Hi everyone, this is a video about this Aiwa Walkman that the model number is I think is HS. Yeah, where is it? Where is it? Oh, here. The model number is HS-PX447, and this is just simple a stereo cassette player. It takes two AAA batteries, 3 volts altogether, and then it has sound effects, 4 different sound effects. We are going to talk about this. Is jazz and flat and rock and pop. It shows you the graph here, and it is the head feeder. It means you put the head first on this. This is a very near mint condition, and unfortunately I just have this without all the accessories and full remote control and all of that. And then here we have a full remote. It means you can have access to all of these. This is the battery. It shows you empty, medium or middle or full, and then auto reverse and play, stop, fast forward and rewind. And these are the sound processor, multi-sound processor. It is flat, and these are not LEDs, it's just the red color showing behind that. Is flat, pop and rock and jazz. Jazz is a little bit better than all of them, and rock. Anyhow, as you see, it's plastic and it's glossy gray. You have a hold here, and you have a repeat direction function here. And on this side we have volume, Dolby NR on or off, and headphone. On this side is the battery that it opens like this, and this is, as I mentioned, is in mint condition. And the batteries are, you just put them negative first and then positive at the tip. There are some scratches here, but nothing major, and is, in my opinion, Sony, Aiwa and Panasonic, they have the best Walkmans available with more functionality than the other ones. So this is the, let me just connect this and play some songs, the same song. Let me just volume. And this is the flat. Pop, rock, and then the jazz. Is a very good sound quality as well. And the eject, it has the, it's here, it says twin lock. It has one lock here and one lock there. I show you now after. And here we have the Dolby. This is flat and the bass is amazing here. And then rewind. And all of this, you have the option of, you know, selecting to skip 2 songs, 3 songs, all the headphone Walkmans, apart from the robust one that I mentioned with a video, the rest of them, they have the skip of songs, 1 or 2 or 3. If you press the forward twice, it skips 2 songs and then stops and plays, and it goes with the rewind as well. So as many songs as you like, you can fast forward and rewind it by just pressing them many times. For instance, if we want to go at the beginning of this, we just press once, and these are LEDs, and it shows the battery is full. Unfortunately, we've gone to the first song. That was the first song, you know. Let's go to the other song. It's the same, but I have recorded that song with the Panasonic. That was the S77F. I recorded with that one, so the quality is not bad, but still, you know, we have just 2 songs here. We can't just go back and forth. Let's go at the beginning of this song. Anyhow, in my opinion, really, the Aiwa and Panasonic and Sony, they have very good quality Walkmans with lots of functionalities and, you know, ergonomics as well. So this video is getting too long. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video. Oh, the price of these. This one, it goes from £50 up to £150, and some people, they are selling it even for more. And this has been recorded with the Panasonics. Just a moment, if you don't remember the Panasonics, I get it and show it to you. This is the Panasonic. Let me just play this. With this one, I recorded this. Just compare the sizes of these two. This one is only cassette player, but this one has the radio, alarm, recording, both sides, and the cassette player. Look at the size of these two. They are nearly identical. So this song was recorded with this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyhow, you can operate this with the mains as well, 3 volts. And you have to be very careful with this one. It's center negative. Be very, very careful about this. Center negative, remember this. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.